Hi, this is Walter Contreras, CEO of Material Networks. Today, I'd like to introduce to you a document management software we call Paperport. We use Paperport for digital imaging, scanning, turning paper into digital formats, emailing, faxing, right out of your desktop. The program we're going to show you is called Paperport, and let's take a look. Paperport is a document management software where you can create virtual file cabinets, folders, such as the one you're looking at. You can email directly from Paperport and also fax, which means you can fax directly from your desktop. Notice I created some folders here. Test company names. I can right click and change that right away to whatever company name I want. I can create multiple subfolders underneath that folder, giving it clients' names, company names, wherever I want. I can even change the color of the folder. I'm going to demonstrate right now how I can take documents from multiple sources directly into Paperport. This is a form from the internet, right in the web browser. I'm going to complete the form, and then I'm going to hit print. But I'm not printing this to any paper. I'm printing it directly to a digital image inside Paperport. Notice how I'm selecting Paperport Image Printer and hit OK. It's going to take all my 4 pages and create a digital copy of that on Adobe Acrobat PDF file. No one will be able to tell you I can't open it. It's Adobe standard format. I can change the name of that digital copy. You could even preview what you're looking at. How many times you had a fax that you wanted to send, Microsoft Word, a form from the internet, and maybe even an email, a copy of an email. Here's how you do it. Print directly to Paperport. Not a printer, regular Paperport. And then you collect copies of digital images. Then you can package them together in email or fax. And then file. This is a Word document that I'm also creating a PDF file from. This is kind of easy. Just print to Paperport. I'm doing the same thing with an email. So technically, anything that you can print from could go into Paperport. So you can have multiple programs, your line of business applications, any other CRM program, anything that you use on a day-to-day could go directly into Paperport as long as you can print. So now I have an email, a Word doc, and an internet form that I can just drag and drop directly into Outlook, and voila. Here's my email attachment. All I got to do is send it. How easy was that? I could even put things together, stack them together, drop them directly into my outbox. Boom, send them out. I could even take separate files if I don't want to put them together and send 2 separate attachments. This is what it looks like. See? That's what they get. Perfect PDF attachment with the email you sent. But that's not it. Right from here, you can select your files and directly send them onto a fax machine. Which means now you can fax directly from your desktop. As simple as dropping it, clicking on next, put in the fax number, and then you're done. Great thing about Paperport faxing is that you can send to multiple recipients. The same fax was intended for somebody. You see how much time we're saving here? Not having to stand by the fax machine, sending 2 things one at a time. This is all electronically. to multiple recipients, hit next, select my cover sheet, and boom, I'm done. I faxed. The great thing about it is I never got up from my desk. And the other thing is I'll get an email confirmation telling me whether this fax went out or not. Once I'm done with those documents, I can file them away. Create my own folders, whatever I want to name them. Whatever works for me. Which means that now I'm paperless. If I ever need to retrieve that document, I can go back to my paper port and it's in there. So I've accomplished everything. Accomplished being more efficient, faster, and also being paperless. These are some of the features that Paperboard has. There are many, many more features that we would love to show you. This concludes a brief description of Paperboard. Thank you so much for your time.